guys, good morning. I'm sorry suffering. Guess what? Yoshi's Crafted World is here. I got it on digital on the eShop and not the physical copy at GameStop, Walmart, or anything. So yeah, I got this game digitally from the eShop. So check this out. So yeah, got this game yesterday at midnight. So that way I don't have to get a physical copy. So yeah. Got this full game right here, and it is ready to go. And I see a demo, so yeah. But anyway, I got this game, so that is awesome. So anyway, if you want to check out Yoshi's Crafted World, just check out and my channel. So I've done Yoshi's Crafted World yesterday, and also I'm about to upload it to my gaming channel. So yeah, good thing I have this game though. And also, later tonight, I'm supposed to go into the Beagles on session. I don't know, but yeah, I have this game today. So yeah, that's awesome. So anyway, one of the videos from the vlog while I was watching the Apple event last time, but apparently it was blocked. So it is blocked worldwide. So that's what I've been talking about the Bethesda here. And also the new stuff like the Apple Arcade and also the Apple Card, the Apple News Plus, and also the Apple TV channels and Apple TV Plus. So I did do the vlog and I just saw they just unveiled everything from the Apple event. So the first one, they did unveil the Apple News Plus and also the Apple Card, the Apple Arcade, Apple TV channels, and after that, the Apple TV Plus. So I just saw that on the event. And then after that, I did talk about the Bethesda. So Bethesda is celebrating the 25th anniversary of the Elder Scrolls. So yeah, that's what today they're doing the Bethesda Game Days, or by this weekend. So they're doing the streams from the Bethesda Gameplays during PAX East in Boston. So yeah, but all my copyrights are blocked all over the world from the vlog. So yeah. So anyway, since my copyright video is blocked, I want to talk about the Bethesda. So anyway, they're doing Bethesda Game Days during PAX East. So they're celebrating the 25th anniversary of the Elder Scrolls. So yeah, happy birthday to the Elder Scrolls. I know they did release it on, when is it? They did release on 1994. So they did release in 1994, in March of 1994. So they just released the Elder Scrolls back in 1994. So yeah. So I just want to wish you a happy birthday to the Elder Scrolls. And also, yeah. So happy birthday to the Elder Scrolls. So anyway, I have to be careful from now on with those copyrights. So yeah, I have to be careful from now on while watching this event. So just keep the laptop down, hear my thoughts, and yeah, I have to be careful with that. So anyway, Professor Soapbox is live streaming the Professor Game Days during PAX East. So they're talking about Fallout 76, and that's Todd Howard right here, guys. Can you read that, guys? They're talking about Fallout 76. I have to turn this computer down since it does the copyright. So yeah, they're doing the video for the 25th anniversary of the Elder Scrolls. Holy crap. So they're doing the Elder Scrolls 25th anniversary panel right now. they're going to talk about it. So anyway, speaking of 25th anniversary, just got blades in my phone so I can play it later. But right now I gotta be a lot busy with the Beagles on. So yeah, once I got done doing this, I will start playing blades for you guys. So yeah. Here, hi, hello. Hey, how are you? What are you doing, hello? What are you doing? I see you, Hollow. I see you. Hollow, I see you. We're here at Dugan Library at Newman University. We're doing it this time. We're doing a different building. So this is Dugan Library. I haven't been to the other campus. Gotta go up. I made it. This is the second floor tonight, and then tomorrow I gotta be at the first floor. This is a small band. What do you want to set? And then tomorrow I'm gonna be downstairs for clubbing. Hi guys, finally made it to the Beagles on. So I'm about to play my own instrument, which is in my backpack. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm on a 10-point session. Joshua playing the drums. So I'm sitting next to Joshua. So yeah, wish me luck.
It's always a good time. I want to try doing things a little bit differently this year with you guys. I kind of want to work with you guys on some musicianship. Hold on while I turn this.
Working with the Glee Club, and right now I'm singing in a Glee Club, as well as doing stuff for church, and I'm on KKGQ, the radio station here in town. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to hand the microphone to Therese.
Hello you all, I'm Therese Gordon. I'm so happy to be here this evening, and I'm looking forward to working with you all tomorrow in the Beat Workshop. I am going to pass the mic over here.
I am Darren Scheidmeyer, and I'm Luke's dad, and that's probably the only pertinent information about me. And I'm going to pass this to him.
Hi, I'm Luke.
The piano man!
I play keyboards for a living.
For a living.
That's pretty much it. And I slap bass guitars. That's
Plays a mean piano.
that's pretty much it.
Piano man himself.
And Luke has been coming to our beat workshop since the very, very beginning, when you couldn't even see his head over his keyboard.
Yeah.
That's our
I'm Charlie.
Oh, nobody knows Charlie. Oh, no.
I'm Joshua. I play for our school jazz band and lots of other things that are not relevant.
Is that here in Wichita, or where do you play? What school are you playing?
What's up, y'all?
You didn't tell us the instruments.
My name's Trina. I play the tambourine and the shaker, and then tomorrow I'm playing the drums. So I wanna slow things down because my grandmother is having eye surgery next week. So I want to dedicate all the performances to my grandmother. So, Grandma, this is for you.
Come on, baby.
I can't solo.
You can solo. Just play. What were you just doing? You got it. I promise. Come on.
She's got some chops. All right, Katrina.
That's somebody behind me. So I gotta have a clean drink before the next performance here.
Was a touring played recorder on tour.
Charlie, I got her. She's coming to sit up where Mike is sitting.
All right, you guys.
Yeah, keep doing that. Off the hook, Ed.
Getting things
You've been
packing
practicing.
before
Lots
the
been
workshop.
practicing, I'm telling you. I got that.
How's the workshop
Tell you what, we just spent hours doing something.
Alright guys, the Big Zone session is over, so tomorrow I'm gonna do the workshop. So yeah. So I'm having some cookies to celebrate here. So yeah. I'll be heading home. Alright guys, letting this vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna be back at the Newman University for the Big Zone session or music workshop. So stay tuned to tomorrow's vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures want to be. And next watching, please bye bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.